First graders, you know a lot of different addition strategies you can use to help you when you're solving story problems or addition problems. Today we're going to do some practice with that. We have some practice story problems that we're going to work on solving, and we're going to choose which strategy is going to be the best for us to solve with. My story goes like this. There are 9 penguins standing on the ice waiting to dive in, and 5 penguins already in the water. How many penguins in all? So I know there's 9 on the ice. I think I'm going to build 9 first, and maybe I'll write that down. Well, plus there's 5 in the water. Oh, well, that is an add 9 problem. I know 10 plus 5 is 15, so 9 plus 5 means there was 14 penguins in all. I can see 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If I didn't have a number rack at home, I could do the same thing with a counter of some sort. So I could use cotton balls, I could use money, I could use anything I had around my house. So I might make up my stack of 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I might add 5 to it and count up how many I have. Let's try our next one. I'm going to reset my number rack so I'm ready to go. In the next one, there are 8 penguins standing on the ice waiting to dive in, and some more penguins in the water. There are 12 penguins in all. How many are in the water? Well, I know that there's 8 on the ice, and it told me some more were in the water. I don't know how many more, but more means I'm going to add. So I have some more in the water, and then all together it told me I had 12 penguins. I think I'm going to count on from 8 until I get to 12. So I'm going to go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I see I needed 4 more there. If I had some counters at my house, I could do the same thing. I might have 8 to start, and then I might add on or count on from that number till I get to 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can see that I needed 4 more. Let's try one more together. There are some penguins hiding behind the hill, waiting to run out and jump into the water. When they join the 5 penguins in the water, there will be 11 penguins in all. How many are hiding behind the ice? So for here, it told me there are some penguins behind the ice, but I don't know how many penguins left. But I do know that there are 5 in the water. And there are 11 penguins in all. Well, I know a doubles fact. 5 plus 5 is 10. If I show that on my number rack, it might look like this. And I want to get to 11. So I know I need to add 1 more. And I can see 5 plus 6. There must have been 6 penguins to start. First graders, when you're solving these story problems, it doesn't matter what strategy you're using, as long as you're picking one that makes sense. You might use a doubles fact to help you, or you might did what I did over here, and you might know your doubles fact and add or take away 1 to it. You might be adding to a 10 group, so you know it's going to equal a teen number. Or you might add to 9, like we did over here. So if I know my 10 fact, I'm going to take away 1 from it. You might recognize that you're making a group of 10, or like we did over here, you might have to count on from that larger number. Go use these strategies when you solve your own story problems.